Hey guys, and welcome back to the video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So I want to make a summary update for Aimogen to show you the latest changes that it got. So for this, you will need to click on the link from this video description, which will lead to this page where you will see the changes of Aimogen. So scroll down on the page of Aimogen from Code Canyon, and you will see that the latest update so far, the 1.6.7 update, will be able to use a new shortcode which I presented in the previous video I published on this YouTube channel. Also, you will be able to have the ability to define the first message of the AI chatbot in the chatbot persona settings. So this was not possible until now, but if you scroll down here and go to AI chatbot menu, and in the manage chatbot personas selector, if you click on a chatbot persona, you will see that AI persona first message will be also able to be set starting from now. And this is the first message that you will be able to use here. So if you want to use multiple chatbots, for example, each can have its first message set separately. So this is an interesting feature that can be used to diversify your chatbots. Also, you will be able to use multiple chatbots on the same page. This is very powerful feature, and let me show you this right on this page. I have here added the shortcode of a customized chatbot. It will use the Gerard persona, for example, and he's a veterinarian, and his first message is need info. And if we ask him, who are you? He will be able to respond exactly who he is. Also, we can add a general chatbot to the page, for example. And if we go to AI chatbot menu and set chatbot website injection to front end and save settings, this will actually inject the chatbot globally to our site, and this little icon will appear with this other chatbot popping up. And you can see we have two chatbots now active. One is Gerald, the veterinarian, and other is Gina, the barista. And we can ask them simultaneously even, who are you? Who are you? I am Gerard, I am Gina. Okay, so this was not possible until now as multiple chatbots were not supported on the same page, but starting from now, this will be possible from version 1.6.7. Okay, so also you will be able to resize images that the AI resizes. The AI generated images can be resized, and you will be able to select the image quality. Added the ability to use AI function calling while in API response streaming mode, and also fixed max retry count in case of streaming mode use. So these two are very powerful. As you can see, I am right now in the AI response streaming mode as the responses appear gradually. So as you can see now, the AI is writing this text as it is returning it. So this is much faster than the method to show the entire text after it is fully generated, as it gives the ability to the user to read the text as it is generated by the AI, similar to ChatGPT. Okay, so in this mode, you will be able to use now also function calling, and also if the function calling is, if the API calling is failing, the plugin will use the max retry to retry the API calls. Okay. Also, new lines are now being added correctly. As you saw previously, the AI is able to write a short poem, for example, and it will be able to write new lines correctly, as this was not possible so far, as everything was written at a chunk of text. But now this is also fixed, everything is working. Okay, so this is all for today's update for the Aimogen fixes and updates. If you have more ideas or suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. Everything is welcome. Until next time, this is all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.